Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, take a look up there somewhere or over there. Put a link into the first video so you can catch up. Oil pressure switch from the last video. Guess what's coming up? We fit a new one. And we'll see if the engine runs. First time running in, I believe, at least 4 years. So enjoy the intro, crack on, enjoy, like, subscribe, you know what to do. See you in a second. Okay, so I got the oil switch off the old one. Here's how to check the continuity of it. One prong onto the cable, one prong over here. As you can see, if I move my hand, there is absolutely no reading at all. Come on to the other one, touch a prong on there, and immediately you get the sound for the continuity. Again, nothing. There is another way which I found as well, just testing, if you want to make sure, if you haven't got a test meter. Let me just set everything up. You fiddle about, do whatever you want. Going to use the new one, connect it up to the actual lead. Okay, like so. Okay. Put that now onto earth. And the light comes on. Buzzer. So that's another way how to check it. Right. Let's get this fitted. Right. Let me actually get in here properly. That's the new one fitted. You do have to be careful when tightening these up because they are a tapered thread. So just be careful. Right. Let's see what happens. Power on. Yes. Power off. You know what this means now? I gotta go and get some diesel and we'll see if it'll start. Come back in a few minutes. Let's see what happens. So, on with the truth. Because we haven't got a fuel tank on board, I got diesel and put in there, return on there. For me, this is the first time starting the engine, and it does help if you know where the keys are. Now I know it's going to take a bit of turning over, which I'm going to do it first with the decompression lever being used, because obviously I got air in the fuel line. Wish me lucky. Obviously the decompression lever ain't gonna stay up and I can't film. First time, yes. She runs! Yes! Great! Oh, that's made my day. That was the unknown. Buying a sailing boat when you haven't tried the engine. I can see how much it's going to be now to take it out. I will try and drive in a minute, but just want to go and check everything over. Catch you in a few minutes. As far as I'm aware, this boat hasn't been started in 4+ years. That's all forward. Let's go in reverse. Oh, maybe lost my glasses, huh? I would have been nasty. That's not the tick over. I'll bring it down think you need to just crank it up a fraction to tick over. Obviously going too high for when it goes into the air.